Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to continue with lesson number 9, Nervous System. And here we are going to discuss about the sense organs, care of sense organs, and various parts of human eye. So, let's get started. Children, have you ever thought that how you are able to connect with your surroundings? Yes, it is because of our sense organs. So, what are sense organs? The organs that helps us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel are called the sense organs. There are 5 sense organs in the human body and they are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now, let's talk about the functions of these sense organs. Eyes helps us to see all the things around, whether it is your book, lovely images, flowers, etc. Ears helps us to hear different types of sounds. The another sense organ is nose, which helps us to smell and it also helps us to breathe. Tongue helps to identify the taste of different things. The next sense organ is skin. It is the largest sense organ. It helps us to feel the things around us. Now the question is, how do I take care of my sense organs? Here comes the solution. For proper care of eyes, we should wash our eyes regularly with clean water. Do not rub your eyes. Do not read in a dim light or very bright light. We should not read while lying down or in any moving vehicle. And children, you should not watch television or play computer games for long hours. Also, sit at least 6 feet away from the television. Always sit upright while reading and keep your books at a proper distance from your eyes. And very important, eat foods that are rich in vitamin A. Care of ears. Use a dry towel or cotton swab to clean your ears. Never use any sharp objects to clean your ears. Avoid listening to loud music and do not use earphone regularly. Care of nose. Avoid putting any object inside your nose. Cover your nose when you are in a dusty place. Always try to breathe through nose and blow your nose gently if you have cold. Care of tongue. Children, avoid taking very hot foods and drinks as it may burn the taste buds. Clean your tongue regularly with a tongue cleaner. Drink enough water as water helps to keep your tongue moist. And to take care of our skin, we should take bath regularly with soap and clean water. And we should also wear clean, dry and comfortable clothes. My dear children, you all know that eyes are one of the delicate organ. So, each eyeball is safely located in a deep bony socket in the skull. It is further protected by eyebrow, eyelid and eyelashes. The function of the eyebrows is to protect the eyes from sweat or rain. Eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyes from dust and sand. The colored part of the eye is called iris. It is the part which gives color to the eyes. That is why some people have blue, brown or green eyes. The black surface situated in the middle of the iris is called the pupil. And this is the eyeball. In the front part of the eye, there is circular and transparent part called cornea. It helps our eyes to focus on various objects. and this is the colored part of the eye called as iris. The function of the iris is to control the amount of light that enters the pupil, which is the black part of an eye. Pupil allows the light to enter the lens, and the eye lens permits the eye to focus on the objects that we see. And ciliary body or muscles hold and control the shape of the lens. At the back of the eye is retina. The retina is in charge of receiving the light and transmitting this information to the brain through the optic nerves.